Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price changes occur in a Tron TRX crypto in a cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now and hit my 2k subscriber. My wish to hit 2k subscriber. Please help me and cross my 2k subscriber. Now let's see what's price changes occur in a TRX crypto in the last previous 1 hour. Let's see the last 1 hour result of TRX crypto in a market. Oh my god, it's a very bad news for all TRX holder. At this time the TRX crypto falls down as you can see now. Then the previous last 1 hour they are continuously falls down. I'm sorry to say that, but it's the reality of TRX crypto in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see now, the changes is also negative because the graph tells us they are falling down. So the changes as a negative 1.01% occur in the previous last 1 hour. That is the live price prediction you are watching now on ABS Tech channel of last 1 hour. And the high price of TRX crypto in the previous last 1 hour is $0.064722 is the high price of TRX crypto in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see now, that's period. At this period their price is $0.064722 is the high price of TRX crypto in this period. Now let's see what changes occur in the previous 2 hour of TRX crypto in a market. As you can see now, the 2 hour result of TRX crypto tell us that the TRX crypto have a great jump in the previous 1 hour, but the last previous 1 hour they are falls down again and again. As you can see now, so they are neutral in this position. As you can see here, a previous 1 hour they take a jump, and the previous last 1 hour they are take a false jump. As you can hear, their dumping time starts from this last 1 hour. So the changes is also a negative 0.49% chance occur in the TRX crypto in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of TRX crypto in the previous 2 hour is $0.064722. that is the high price of TRX crypto at this position, as you can see here. So that's the live price prediction you are watching now on ABS Tech channel of last 2 hour and 1 hour. So please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about TRX crypto. Thank you so much for watching this video.